Hi, it's Wade. Wade's Unboxings. Having an unboxing today here. It is going to be, we can see it here, the HOPPE'S Deluxe Gun Cleaning Kit. Universal for pistols, rifles, shotguns. See if we can get that down. Fits all pistols, rifles from 22 caliber and larger, and all shotguns. So what the kit has, if you can see this here, it has a 12-ounce HOPPE'S number 9 solvent, 2.25 ounce lubricating oil, 4 slotted ends, 5 phosphor bronze bushings to fit 22 caliber, 30 caliber, 38 caliber pistol, 20 gauge and 12 gauge. And it also has patches, 3-piece brass rod, rifle and shotgun adapter, pistol adapter, and silicone cleaning cloth. Okay, so you can see a little picture of what it's going to look like, and has a little thingy, comes in the box. See if there's anything, just the French on the back side and nothing on the side. So let's take it out of the cardboard. And what it is, it's a wooden case with a latch in the front and 2 hinges on the back and nothing on the bottom. You can tell it's very thin bottom, but the top is a thicker wood and the sides are a thicker wood. The bottom is a thin piece of wood. So let's unlatch this, open it up. We can see it has the burnt in name of the HOPPE'S. Hopefully I'm pronouncing that right. Let's just move that out of the way for a sec here. And let's see what we have. So we have the silicone cloth, flannel cloth, polishes, cleans, and coats surface with protective finish, removes fingerprints, and restores luster. In the size of them. So I'm not going to open it up. You can know what a cloth is. It also comes with the guide to gun care, and well, it tells you stuff to buy. Looks like different types of solvents and oils and patches and all that nice stuff that's inside the booklet. Read at your leisure if you prefer to, but hopefully, you know, it's very straightforward how to clean a gun. So let's see what else we have. We have here the HOPPE'S number 9 gun bore cleaner, which is 2 ounces or 59 milliliters. So that's the cleaner, and this is the lubricant. Again, lubricating oil. Has a little squirt tip on it. And we have the patches. So let's just open this up, have a look at the patches. Oh, interesting. Let's see what we got here. Open on both sides and push through. Paper. So what we see here is we have different size patches for the different calibers, which is nice. So smaller, medium, and then the large bore. And put that back in. And the box doesn't say anything about anything else, but we've gone through that. And then we have the 3 brass rods. So we go screw those together, and depending on the length of your bore, you know, you add the additional ones, and then at the front here you'll put your tip, and here you have it swivels, so as you push in to the bore it can, you know, rotate. We'll just put that there for a sec while we get this last little box out. And this is the rod and accessories kit. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to dump that into this little pocket there and dispose of that. So, I'm not sure if you can see, but we have the different caliber brass cleaning rods tips. So largest would be the 12, 20 gauge, and then we have 22, 30, and 38, which would be that one. So I do have a 22 and I have a 300 Savage, which would be these two. I don't have a 38 or a 38 caliber equivalent size, and I do have a 12 gauge shotgun. So, well, maybe the 24 would fit that, the 410. But so those are the tips, and you know, you would, depending on which caliber you're going to use, you put in your additional length stuff depending on how long you need stuff to be, and you know, put that stuff on. And if you were going to use the larger caliber, they are a different diameter. You have to use an adapter. So you would put the adapter on, and then you can add it to your rod as necessary. And the last things, we do have the different caliber. I'll say they're the adapter to put the cloths on. So the two large ones, again the 20 and 12 gauge, need the adapter. So you add the adapter to it, put it onto your rod, and then you put that patch. I'll just use this paper. You know, you put the patch through. Add the patch. This is sample as a paper, and you put your solvent, pass it through a few times, put a clean one, pass it through a few times, and then finally you would use the oil on another clean one. And it comes with the two large sizes, and it comes with just the two smaller sizes, most likely the 38 and 22, and you could probably use that for the 30 caliber, and even this looks like it's about size 30 caliber. So it has the different adapters for it, which is nice. Like I said, I have multiple caliber guns, and it comes with a plastic. Let's just take this out. Put the cleaning book underneath. We don't need that. And a little felt-ish. It feels like felt, but it's not really that important. And then put the rods back. Cleaning pads, the cloth itself, and it all fits nice back into the case. And that's pretty much it. Pretty simple. The HOPPE'S, again, I'll just do it on the side here. The HOPPE'S 9 gun Deluxe. Well, that's the French side. Let's go to the English side. Deluxe gun cleaning kit for universal, for pistols, rifles, and shotguns. From 22 caliber all the way up to the 12 gauge, which is nice. Like I said, it will fit nice, different guns, nice case, and hopefully I'll get some use out of it. Okay, it's Wade's Unboxings. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.